another question that I have is in regards to the blessing that women make on the Birkot HaShachar when they say to Hashem that, thank you Hashem for making me according to His will.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering if it would be okay for women to have the kavanah of thanking Hashem for not having as much as responsibilities as men, because men, I mean, for every single and each and every one responsibility that the men have, it's another way to get punished for not fulfilling it. For example, I don't know, Bitul Torah and these things, this is very tough,
Yes.
especially for men. So, I mean, we have more ways to praise Hashem and to serve Hashem, but at the same token, we have more possibilities to get punished because of not fulfilling them. So, would it be okay for a woman to think about this when making this blessing, perhaps?
So, in less ways to get punished, you see, women absolve from a time-bound mitzvahs because they're very busy. They're very, very busy in life, right? With running the household. So to say that she's going to fail less, no. Even if you're a woman, you can fail a lot, even though you're being a woman. So are there more opportunity for men to fail than a woman? I don't know. If she's not taking care of your house, not taking care of your husband and other children, so she can fail miserably, even more than him not learning. Because if what is it? We have this clip that is coming up soon, right? About a few women ask me innocently, without thinking back, about going to after Shat Chala, right? Party, separating challah, right? And it's all women. It's nice, Rabbi? Yes, that's kosher, yeah. So and I list 7 things. I'm not going to say what, but you're going to see. So I say, if all of these things are satisfied, yeah, it's kosher. Otherwise, guess what? It's not kosher. You understand? Because women have different responsibilities, and they still all of the other laws apply to them. So I would not say that to today, in our mind, we should not think about failures, but we have to drive to the achievements, to fulfill wherever we our goal, to achieve our goal. So, for example, if somebody is a company man, like a president of the company, so his mind should be in a global marketing, in new customers and stuff like that. But regular work, he has to concentrate on his report, whatever I have to do by the end of the week. He has no part in thinking about the global what company should do the next year. He has to work on his part. So when everybody work on that part, that's when they succeed. President succeed in whatever he does, and I succeed whatever in what I do, right? And I don't have to say, thanks God I'm not the president, because it's easier for a president to be fired than me, right? So I have been working for many years for one company, and we were bought and sold, I don't know, 5 times, 6 times, I don't know, I lost count, and there were many presidents. So people like me, I'm like a small guy, just doing my work, nobody touched me, right? But this president, they would change it sometimes few almost every year, 2 years, 3 years, they would change the president. You understand? So we must concentrate on our goal, and don't think about the failure or others, especially others, right? Because Hashem provides us tools to fulfill our role in this world, my specific role in this specific time. That's it. That's our goal, right? So we cannot compare ourselves to other people. That's the point. Okay, what else?
Thank you.